going to be talking about acne patches on Wishtrend TV. So stay tuned in because we're going to be talking about the good standards, like what makes a good acne patch. So don't go anywhere and stay tuned in with us.
Hello Wishtrenders! Welcome back to another episode of Wishtrend TV
Versus acne!
It's your girl Louisa.
And it's your sister Eunice in the house today.
So Eunice, have you seen our last video on Wishtrend TV versus acne?
I have. It was really good because it taught us how to get rid of acne on our scalp really naturally. And I really like the fact that you guys shared the tips on how to get rid of acne on the hairlines and back of your neck too. That was very practical. I like that.
Yes, and just like you mentioned, we talked about the 3 most effective home remedies to get rid of acne on the scalp, the hairline, and the back of the neck. So if you guys haven't checked that out yet, make sure to click the link above. So Eunice, can you tell me about the theme of today's video?
Okay, I shall. But before that, I'm gonna ask you a question, okay? Did you know that there are 2 different types of acne patches?
What?
One that you have to use before the extraction of the pimples, and one that you have to use after the extraction of your pimples.
So they're not all the same?
Yeah, so it's gonna be the very first time that we're gonna be talking about acne patches on Wishtrend TV. So stay tuned in because we're gonna be talking about the good standards, like what makes a good acne patch. And we're also gonna be talking about the different types of acne patches and also how to use them properly, okay? So don't go anywhere and stay tuned in with us. Round 1. What are pimple patches?
Pimple patches are clear patches that you can apply to your pimples or extracted areas, and it works to cover the area, so it's a must-have for people with acne-prone skin like me.
Acne patches can help to repair damaged or injured skin tissue quickly as inflammation breaks out. And not just that, but it helps to prevent inflammation and severe acne scars. And it also helps to protect bacterial infection, and the most important thing too, it helps to relieve the pain because you know it hurts when you pop a pimple.
So Eunice, as you mentioned earlier, while all acne patches may look the same, they actually all serve different purposes. Now, let me explain about the ones that we use on pimples before and after extraction, and also how to properly use them. Round 2. Types of pimple patches and how to use them. So there are 2 types of pimple patches. One that you use before you squeeze the pimple and one that you use after you squeeze the pimple.
So mainly for the patches that you use before you extract the pimple are a mixture of tea tree leaf oil and salicylic acid, which are really good ingredients to actually prevent inflammation and also to calm that area down.
So patches that you use after you extract your pimple are made out of hydrocolloid, so that absorbs the blood and the lymph fluid that comes out of the spot, helping the spot to heal better.
Alright, now that we've learned that there are 2 different types of acne patches, I hope that you chose the right one for your acne condition. Now we're gonna show you how you can use them properly.
So first of all, patches that you apply on pimples before extraction should be on areas that are hard and not likely to easily be extracted. Gently exfoliating or removing sebum through cleansing before you apply the patch can lead to better results. Now, let's move on to patches that you apply post-extraction. First, wash your face before applying the patches to cleanse the areas surrounding the acne. Do not apply toner or lotion afterwards. Second, create a small opening by pricking the area with a sterilized needle. Third, you want to extract using clean cotton swabs. Fourth, replace with a new patch every 12 hours or when the patch changes color from yellow to white.
Round 3. What makes a good pimple patch?
First, you want to look at size. Make sure that your patches have various sizes so that it can cover acne of all sizes.
Because sometimes we have like big old ones and we have tiny ones, and you want to make sure that they have it for each size.
Exactly.
All right, second is thickness. It's very important that it sticks on and adheres to your skin really easily and well. And another thing is you want it to be thin. You don't want it to be visibly very not attractive.
Right.
You want to make sure that it looks good and natural on your skin.
And then third, you want to see if the acne patch covers the spot well.
And fourth, make sure that the patches don't reflect the light. You know those ones that you like go like this and like bling bling money the thing?
You don't want to be a disco light.
No, not at all. And make sure that it looks really just natural on your skin.
And then fifth, which I think is the most important, is you want to look at the ingredients that are in these patches because you want to make sure that they're ingredients that can improve your acne and remove traces of your acne. Round 4, blind testing acne patches.
Now that we've explained the standard of good acne patches, we've actually chosen 3 of the most popular acne patches to try out for the blind test. We're really excited for the blind test to find the most good acne patch and also the most effective one for you guys.
Blind test number 1, size. Blind test number 2, thickness. Blind test number 3, adhesive strength. Blind test number 4, transparency and visibility.
Alright, so the last test, which I think is the most important test, is we're gonna see which one has the most effective acne fading ability.
I think that's like the most important thing of all. So we've invited a model that has acne concerns and we've asked her to use each of the patches. So she has actually tested this out on her acne. So it will be more realistic. And I think her standards will be, like more real, you know?
Right.
All right, so I know that you guys are very curious, but we've added the scores up and we're gonna let you know which one from which brand has won number 1, baby.
Alright guys, so you already know the drill. The winner today is Wishtrend TV. What did you guys think of today's Versus Acne video? I was really happy to host with Eunice today. What did you think of
It was really fun today because the round 1 and like the versus acne, I think it's really cute and I really love this series because it's so informative.
Right.
Probably a lot of people did not know that there are 2 different types of acne patches. Usually we would just use one, but it was very informative, so thank you. Please invite me next time again.
We'd love to have you again.
Thank you.
We'll be back next time with an even better episode of Wishtrend TV versus Acne. And remember guys, you are beautiful,
just as you are.
Bye!